Right, everyone, WeaponCollector, you're going to have to excuse the ink on my hands. I've been dyeing something and I forgot to wear gloves. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to basically carry some covert body armour around with you in a bag. I've done videos on this before, but I thought I'd do a recap on it because, people may not see the old one or have seen it or get to see it. So, most rucksacks you can get nowadays have a pouch or pocket in the back. Doesn't matter if your one doesn't have this, but it's a very convenient thing if they do for carrying body armor panels. So, just has a concealed sort of very slim pouch in the back, and these are perfect for putting some kind of hard material in there because you don't need to actually put body armor in these. You can, but you don't need to. So, as you can see, this pocket shape here, this rucksack, pretty much covers my entire body. So it's absolutely perfect for covert armour that you can carry. It will add a little bit of weight to your bag, but not a lot, and I don't think you'd notice it. So, either in this pocket or just in the back of your bag, you can put multiple materials, which I'll show you now. Everything I show you will be easy to find as well and inexpensive because you could probably buy custom made panels that will fit straight in these bags and they'll probably cost a fortune. So a good one that you can get is magazines. Now this is just the first thing I could find at hand. This is a little gift box book thing. But this wouldn't be quite thick enough. But any magazines you can get, or multiple, that will stack to probably maybe 12 millimeters or slightly more. Very dense, especially like the old FHM type magazines and loaded magazines. They were thick and dense magazines. A couple of those, and you can also get big ones. So magazines, or possibly even something like one of these diary calendar type things, about 10 mil thick. You might want to just bulk that out a bit, but those will fit in there perfectly, and these are stab resistant. And to be honest, if you're not sure, go out and test it. Magazines and books will stop knives, and they work very well, and they're not that heavy. So there's your first option: magazines or any large book type things that are large but thin. Very inexpensive. Another one you can do and get very cheaply are chopping boards. This is a thin chopping board, it's just for a demonstration. You would want a probably an 8 to 10 millimeter chopping board, HDPE. Wooden ones will work. We'll get onto wood in a minute. But yeah, HDPE chopping boards, really good. You can get them in multiple sizes, so you can even cut them to the shape and size you want. And as I mentioned, another very inexpensive but easy to find material. Wood will work, just any bits of wood. This is a piece of exotic hardwood, I think. Maybe a little bit thick. 8mm ply would probably do the job. Again, you should be able to get ply reasonably easy. You can get hardwood plies or a piece of hardwood like that. You'll want it slightly bigger though. You can cut them to the size of your pocket, size of your bag. Yeah, wood works really well. Very easy to find, easy to work with, and inexpensive. Another option is metals and aluminium. I'm not sure what this is. This feels like steel to me. But thin steel plates. This is probably 3mm thick, and 3mm aluminium will stop a knife. Reasonably light at that thickness. It'll be slightly harder to work with. You're going to probably need, you can cut aluminium and steel with a hacksaw, but it'll take a long time. But what I'm trying to do here is just give you various options so that you may be able to find something easy that you have that you can use. So yeah, metals, aluminium and steel will do the job. And to be honest, probably 2mm steel will do the job. And then lastly, you can get second-hand body armour panels. Now, this is a new body armour panel, but you can go on to eBay and buy ex-police stab-resistant vests. I think if you go on eBay and look up ex-police body armour, you will find various panels, single panels, double panels, ones in the covers. But if you get a single panel like this can either be folded or cut. You may need to open the bottom up, take the individual parts out, because these normally have sort of 12 layers of material. Take those out with some sharp scissors. You should be able to cut them into the shape you want. If they're Kevlar, however, you may open them up and they may have chainmail or metal discs inside. If that's the case, you could just get rid of the Kevlar, which is the bullet resistance. You keep that if you want bullet resistance as well, but obviously if you get rid of the Kevlar, that would make it a lot lighter. And then you could fold it and maybe just seal that up with some duct tape. Make your own stab-proof panels with just the stab protection, because often it depends what you're buying and what country you're making it. This one is purely material based. There's no metal in this at all, and this is stab and knife resistant. Some of the others they will have, as I mentioned, Kevlar to stop bullets and chainmail or metal discs to stop the knives. So yeah, there's an option there. You can use cheap second-hand body armour that you can buy on eBay. Cost you about 20 quid for a single panel, maybe less. It depends what the rating is, how old it is and stuff like that. But yeah, and the old Kevlar ones, you could literally just fold the edges up like that, and that will fold a bit better than this, because this is a new one. This is still quite rigid. But yeah, old body armour panels are definitely an option. So there you go, that's some ideas for covert body armour that you can carry inside a rucksack when you go travelling. No one will ever know it's there. It's perfectly legal anyway, but you know, no one will know you've got it, and you've just got it on you at all times then, which I think is a really good thing, to have some sort of body armour on you at all time. And if you weren't aware yet, you could put your bag on like this and have it as front armour, have it on your back as back armour, hold it up like a shield. Various options with a bag with some kind of stab protection in it, or even go fully bullet resistance as well. Yeah, well worth looking into, I think. And if you have any ideas, let me know. I think I've covered most of the easy materials you can get that will stop a knife. I have tested all these materials as well, if you look on my channel. And if you would like to see me do the tests on these items, I can do them later if you want. All right? So, yeah, let me know if you have any ideas. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it. Definitely subscribe. Share the video. There may be people around who might like to see this who don't know about it. All right? Definitely click the bell when you subscribe as well. If you'd ever like to support this channel, you can. There's a donation service at the end, which you'll see. All right? Thank you for watching, everyone. See you later. Sorry about the red hands.